across as you see the roundabout. So there's a roundabout, fourth exit. So interior right, 6 to 8 cars length, we're going to indicate. Let's indicate now. Brake, clutch down, going to gear 2, zebra crossing. We're going to stop before it, go up to gear 1. Let's move into this position. Check the right, it's clear. Yeah, I'm going to go up to gear 2. There's the first exit 1.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos. Today we're going to do a driving mock test, a real mock test by myself, your fully qualified driving instructor. I'm going to show you how you should be driving, how the exam will be set up, how the examiner will be marking you, and what exactly you should be doing in your driving test. If you've got a test coming up, or you just want to see what it's like to do a driving test, watch this video, watch it to the end, and you'll get loads of tips, loads of help, loads of advices. So do watch it, and let me know if I've passed or failed. Comment below at the end of the video, let me know if I've passed or failed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
There you go, gear 1, double check the left mirror, and I'm off, up to gear 2. I'm taking the third exit at the roundabout, so as I turn left, there's the roundabout, check my right mirror, move across, indicate right to move across, cancel the indicator, let's keep going, and check my mirrors again, interior right, 6 to 8 cars length you're going to indicate, so a bit more closer. Let me go to gear 1 since it's slow, and I'm going to indicate about now. Up to gear 2, watch out for the lights to change. Look into the road as well. It's controlled by traffic lights, brake, clutch. Let's come to a smooth stop. Okay, handbrake gear 1. Or neutral. Again, up to you, depending on your level of experience. So while I'm waiting, what I'm trying to do is trying to figure out where the third exit is. And there's a first, second, there's a third exit. So it's good to have an idea. That way you don't go to the wrong exit. You can see a little bit busy already. But this one's controlled by traffic lights, so you have one less thing to worry about, hopefully, if no one breaks the rules. Okay. There you go. Double check the right though. Up to gear 2. There's a first, there's a second. So as I go around, I'm going to get into this middle lane. Double check my left mirror. I'm going to indicate left as I go past the second exit. Go back to gear 1. And that's my exit here. Check my left mirror, just be aware. Green light, yep. Okay, check my left mirror. It's clear to get in. I'm going to go to the left lane. And watch out for this car obviously and carry on. And go up to gear 3. You could have waited there and then indicate move back in. Or you could get in straight away. If it's clear, I'd rather get in straight away. That way I have one less work to do. Okay, up to gear 4. 40 miles an hour. Let's stay in gear 4. So this is probably the hardest roundabout in this area, I would say. And you'll see why in a bit. So we're going to come off and we'll take the fourth exit on the roundabout. So interior left. I'm going to indicate about now. Double check that left mirror. Get yourself in. And then since we're taking the fourth exit, I'm going to stay on the right lane. So check out right. Just stay in straight away. If you know the area, you can stay in straight away, or you move across as you see the roundabout. So there's a roundabout, fourth exit. So interior right, 6 to 8 cars length we're going to indicate. Let's indicate now. Brake, clutch down, going to gear 2, zebra crossing. We're going to stop before it, go up to gear 1. Let's move into this position. Check the right, it's clear. Yeah, I'm going to go up to gear 2. There's a first exit 1. Always count the exits so you don't go the wrong way. There's a second 2. There's a third 3. I'm watching out for the red car to come on the outside lane. Okay. Okay, so as I go past the third exit, check out left mirror, indicate, and I'm going to move slightly across to the left lane, and the red car is behind me, and into the left lane. Okay, watch out for the zebra crossing. There we go. Okay, up to gear 3, 30 miles an hour road. So the red car could have come in from the outside, so as we're moving across, he might be there, so that's why we had to watch out for it. Brake and clutch down. Let's go down to gear 2, and then clutch back down. Let's go down to gear 1. Okay. Handbrake, neutral. Okay, back to gear 1. Check your mirrors. Carry on. Go up to gear 2. So this is a dual carriageway. You can't really see the speed sign, so you have to assume it's 30 miles an hour until you see it. To gear 4. Check your mirrors. There's a car overtaking on the right, and there's a speed sign. You're going to see it. 30 miles an hour. We're turning right at the second set of traffic lights. Be aware of who's around you. Looking far ahead, there's a parked car. Let me check my mirrors. Interior right and move across. Go down to gear 2, and slowly I'm going to move across. And I'm going to actually stay on the right lane since we're turning right at the next traffic lights. Up to gear 2. Yeah, we're still gear 2. Okay, brake and clutch. Let's go down to gear 1. So, quite busy crossroad here. You're going to see how it works out. And let's just stop the car. Handbrake, neutral. So I said this is probably the hardest part of the test route, this crossroad here. You'll see why in a little bit when we do it. Okay, this guy's turning right, so what we can do, we can either go around, or we can just be patient. Let me just double check. I'm going to go around, indicate left, go around, and then check my right mirror, go back in. Okay. So fairly peak time, everyone's picking up their kids and maybe coming back from work a bit early, who knows. So at this kind of time, it can get busy. I'll leave the indicator on now. Stay in gear 1, just brake a little bit. Leave the clutch down now. So you can hear the ambulance noise. We're just looking around, seeing where it is. Oh, there it is. It's a police vehicle. Okay. So as we're getting to the crossroad, we're going to wait at the line here. So we made the right decision since the lights have changed. Okay. So we can look in front of us. You can see there's no cars coming towards us. So making your life a bit easy. Once we go, it looks like we're going to be clear to go. Now you can see cars coming. So a bit more work to do now. biting point. Move forward, follow the shape. Look at the arrows, it's telling you where to wait.
And that's the end of part 3. If you missed part 1 and 2, don't forget to catch it just so you can have a better understanding of the whole mock test that we're doing. Let me know about the test center areas that you guys are in, and comment below if you guys are finding it difficult in your areas. Send me videos and we'll see if we can try and analyze it. So this is Eyes of Test Center, a fairly difficult route that we're showing you right now.